Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Please excuse Mr. Crazy Arms down here, who has not yet learnt to control his limbs, so just flings them everywhere. He's also very grumpy and just wants cuddles. But my Degustabox has arrived and I want to undo it. Oh, a little burp. A good boy, taking after mummy, burping on the channel. Makes mummy proud. So yeah, Degustabox is here. I'm going to do my best as I can of unboxing one-handed, and we shall see what's in it. For those of you that don't know, Degustabox is a monthly food snack subscription box. It costs $12.99 a month. It does. Yes, it does. Chunk-a-lunk. And yeah, it has a variety of different snacks and drinks and things in it, and food. I do have a discount code that you guys can use that I'll put on the screen just here for y'all, because I'm nice. If you sign up, you will get a code that you can then use and give to your friends and family, or YouTube, Instagram, whoever you choose to give it to. Every time the code is used, you get 50 points. When you get 100 points, you get a free box. So this is a free box. Don't you spit your dut out, Mr. Man. What are you doing? Say hi. I'm grumpy. I'm grumpy fox. I'm a grumpy fox. Yeah. So this is like the most unprofessional video I've ever done in my life. Well, it's not, is it, to be fair? Excuse me. Excuse me. Calm your boobs. Look at his power donut of his hair. I found out recently that if you just have hair around the edge, it's called a power donut, which I just think is amazing. Just completely gone off on a tangent there, haven't I? So yeah, this is not sent to me in PR or anything. This is a box that I pay for myself, but obviously this one is free. All opinions are my own. And I do tell Degustabox off a lot because they send noodles. And I told them not to send any more noodles because we got a lot. But yeah, let's just get into it. I'm having to use my little dinosaur tooth to open it because I definitely can't open it one-handed without tools. Are you going to lay down? What do you reckon? You want all the snacks? You're too little for snacks. If it's your first time here, this is Fox. He's 8 weeks old. He is my new unboxing buddy, apparently, because he doesn't want to sleep ever. Let's get in. It comes by, I think it used to come by DPD, but now I think it comes by DHL, and you get an email to say what time it'll come, with an hour slot, which is quite handy, so you know when to be in or not. It's free delivery. With my code as well, you will get a freebie that I can't remember what it is, but I'll put it on the screen. And let's just have a look. So this month's theme is home comforts. I'm not going to look at it because I want to be surprised. We've got a protein water. You generally get leaflets and stuff for things that are in the box. So this kind of gives you an idea. Don't you puke in my hair, babe? Right, the first thing. Ooh, snaps. Garlic and parsley, oven baked. Vegan. You quite love vegan and gluten-free stuff as well. So these are bread with garlic and parsley. They sound amazing. The kids are going to love them. Where are you? £1.49. That's not bad. £1.49. That's a big bag. Authentic Mediterranean baked snacks. I'll deal with the topping or as a pre-dinner snack. 100% natural ingredients. Oven baked, vegan, no MSG or palm oil. Calm your boobies down. Calm your boobies down. Just get a dut in your face hole. Yeah, dut make it better. A dut is a dummy, for those of you that don't speak. Idiot. Happy with those. Next up, broccoli crisps. What? Growers Garden, the Farmers Collective, broccoli crisps. 100% natural, 29% fresh broccoli. I'm not like, it's not weird, broccoli crisps, because you get like veg crisps. Anyway, I've never heard of broccoli crisps. You should receive one of 3 flavours. What flavour did we get? I don't know. Oh, we just got broccoli. I think there's other ones as well. I don't know what the other flavours are. I can't see it. It's too small. But they are £1.29 a bag, which is quite expensive because it doesn't feel like a very big bag. There's like 22 no, that can't be right. 22 grams in there for £1.29. Jog on. Next up, TikTok. We've got TikTok tea. This is lemongrass, ginger, cinnamon and green rooibos. Is this caffeine free? Refreshing and vibrant, uplifting kick, natural ingredients, naturally caffeine free. So I don't have caffeine anymore, so I'm excited to try that. The cinnamon puts me off a little bit, but the rest of it sounds good. I'm going to try and settle this baby, and then we'll come back and do the rest. He's zonked. Ish. He'll probably wake up in about 30 seconds. Let's carry on. So the tea, it says TikTok £2.5, which is quite expensive. And one of Britain's most loved independent tea brands, TikTok has launched 3 new well-being times: bounce, balance and bedtime. Caffeine free, and then they've got herbs and spices and rich rooibos. And you should receive one of 3 items. So yeah, there's bounce, balance and bedtime. The bedtime one looks quite nice. I might, if this is nice, I might look and see about getting the bedtime one, because I do like a nice cup of tea at bedtime. So that's nice. What's next? Okay, this is what the voucher was. Upbeat blood orange and mandarin protein water, 0 sugar, energizing B vitamins, 12 grams of protein, suitable for vegetarians. Spring water enriched with whey protein and B vitamins. High protein, 0 sugar, real fruit. I wouldn't buy this. Ben will drink this, I should imagine. He likes juices and stuff. £1.79 is quite a lot. But I think it's probably because of the protein in it that people say that people will pay it. I wouldn't pay that. Yeah, it's a nice thing to have. Ben will drink it. I won't, but it's okay. Next up, we've got some tesserie, I don't know that word at the top. Gourmet Drops. These are for coffee. These are vanilla. I will definitely use these. Highly concentrated, no added sugar, vanilla flavoured syrup with sweeteners. These are for £3.99. That's a lot, isn't it? So there's chocolate, caramel and vanilla, I think. Vegan friendly, sugar free, carb free, gluten free and fat free. 20 servings of guilt free flavour. I'm currently doing Weight Watchers, so it'll be interesting to see how many points they are. I'll put it on the screen if they are any points, but I'm assuming there'll be no points. But £3.99 is quite expensive. Again, I wouldn't pay that for them. What have we got next? Some soup. We've had one of these before. This is Amy's Kitchen Hearty Organic Rustic Italian Vegetable Soup. I won't eat this because I don't like soup with lumps in, because I am a child. But Ben will eat this, or my mum will have it when she comes around. From memory, yeah, these are expensive. They're £2 a can, which is fucking redonkulonk. That's like, I would never ever in a million years pay £2 for a can of soup. I'm sure it's lovely. It's gluten free, low fat and hearty apparently, but yeah, ridiculously expensive. Ooh, maple syrup. Clark's original maple syrup. This is yummy. I've had this before. Oh, it says on the back, a maple flavoured syrup, a maple flavour blend of fruit syrup and maple syrup for ice cream, strawberries, porridge and salmon. What? On salmon? Wouldn't ever put it on salmon, but you never know. It works with bacon, doesn't it? It's a blend of pure Canadian maple syrup and carob fruit. 45% less sugar than granulated white sugar per 100 grams. Suitable for vegetarians and vegans. And that's £2 for that bottle, which maple syrup's expensive, so that's just a normal price for that. Oh, you get 2 of these. So I got the chocolate one as well. the chocolate drops as well. So we've got vanilla and chocolate. I'm very excited about that because I like a mocha. Just trying to move my hair because I only washed it this morning and I don't want him to puke in it. I don't want you to puke in Mummy's hair because it's gross. Right, next up we've got Whitworth shots, chocolate and hazelnut. The box is open but they're all in there, 5 packets. That's quite good that we're getting a whole box of snacks. I won't eat these, but I think Ben will. And it's raisins, hazelnuts and milk chocolate pieces, 99 calories per pack, and they're like little snack packs, which is quite good. I imagine these are quite expensive. Things like this generally are quite expensive. Anything with nuts in like that is generally quite a lot. Let's have a look and see how much it is. Oh no, that's not bad. They're £1.89 for 5. That's not bad. That's not bad at all. I wouldn't buy them because I don't like them, but it's not bad. And I think there's different flavours because there's different colours here on this little thing. So I'm assuming there's different flavours. Oh, we've got a bubble wrap thing which has got 2 things in it that I can see. One of them looks like Dijon mustard. Oh, Dijon with honey. Oh, that sounds nice. Is it Dijon? Or is it just normal mustard? No, it's normal mustard. Oh. A perfect combination of tart warmth and mustard. I hate normal mustard. Even though I live in Norwich. Obviously Coleman's. I don't like it. I love Dijon. Oh no, it says Dijon. I'm being thick. It is Dijon. Dijon and honey is perfect for Welsh rarebit, pork, chicken, or as an addition on a cheese board. Ben will love this. He loves mustard. We go through so much Dijon. So he will be very excited to have this. I think he'll probably put this on like pork pies or gammon or stuff that we have, or with cheese and biscuits. That's very nice to have for the cupboard. What was the other glass thing? Tartar sauce. I don't like this, but again, it's something nice to have, because if people come round, they might like it. It's tartar sauce with a hint of shallots. It's a full-size jar. And that is £1.99. Add a touch of luxury with this gourmet take on a classic tartar sauce. Exceptional twist in the traditional tartar sauce with an addition of shallots, giving the sauce a savoury, sweet note. And it's Males, 270 years of experience. The same people that make the mustard. So that's nice. Is that everything? No. Real hot chocolate classic. What is this? Pip's Real Hot Chocolate Coins. A high quality drinking chocolate, handmade in Wales since 2015. In a variety of flavours, are suitable for vegans and those watching their sugar, and everything is always trace free of gluten and nuts. Wow. Best luxury hot chocolate retailer 2019. Oh, there's lots of different flavours. I can't read them because it's too small on my Black Forest. Wait a sec, let me see if I can get my eyes to work. Hazelnut praline and orange. And then I've got classic here. That's really nice, and it says on the back, unwrap and pop into 200 ml of any kind of milk on the hob and stir whilst heating until melted. No nuts, gluten, vegan friendly, contains soya and traces of, oh, it says traces of milk, so it's not vegan. It's got traces of milk, is it? That's nice, but they're £1.50, which is ridiculous for one hot chocolate. And then finally, a Boost protein. I love Boosts. Boosts are one of my favourite chocolate bars. When I was pregnant with this little man, I ate so many of these. Not the protein ones, but Boosts in general. £1.49. Again, a normal Boost is like 70p. So £1.49, double the price just because it's got protein. I'm going to try it. Have a little bite now and see if it tastes any different. Aftertaste is a bit different, but the texture and everything is the same. Yeah, the aftertaste is a bit weird. What is the protein bit? Protein crisps. Yeah, it's not bad. It just tastes a bit different to a normal Boost. And that was the box. I'm very happy with it. Again, some things I would never ever purchase because of how much they cost, but I like to have them. I do usually do a disclaimer with the Degustabox, but I forgot because I was holding a baby. If you are somebody that does one weekly shop at Tesco's and you don't go, or if you, like I do that, I go one place every week. But if you're someone that goes to like 10 different supermarkets to get 10 different bargains, you might say, like they say this is £1.49, you can say, well, in Poundland at the minute they're £1. I don't go to different supermarkets, so I'm happy to just have an array of different things to try. I'll put on the screen how much the box is worth. If you use the discount code, I think you can get your first one for like £7.99. But yeah, super happy with that. I'm excited to try the drops, I think, and the broccoli crisps. I'm going to put these on my Instagram as I try them. I'll link my Instagram down below. If you're not following me, head on over there and say hi. I'm just cleaning the camera because it's a bit dirty because it's not been used for a while. But yeah, I think that's everything I need to say. I haven't filmed for ages, so I'm a little bit rusty. I'm gonna go because I want to try and put this little dude in his bed. Look at his giant ear. He's so cute. I want to eat him. Yeah, thanks for watching. Give this video a great big fat thumbs up. The other two children are about to bombard me, I think. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Do you want to try something? Something crunchy?
No, but I was sitting on the sofa watching telly.
Do you want to say hi? Hi.
And Ari keep hurting me. And when I say stop it, stop it, stop it, and her keep.
Oh, her keeped. Her keeped.
Her keep.
Is she a fart face?
Yeah.
She's a fart face. Do you want to try something crunchy?
No.
Are you sure? No. It's garlic. It's tiny garlic bread.
Mm.
You're just going to look at everything else, see if there's anything else you want to try. That's juice for Daddy. Do you want to try crisp?
No.
You can't have that because that's nuts.
Okay.
That's tea. That's soup. Right, say bye-bye. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys. Say bye.
Bye.